Hey everyone, so if you're anything like me, you're always fighting for more room in your small woodworking shop. So today I'm going to show you how I built a hanging glue up station that'll save room in any shop. For this build, we're going to need 1/2-inch black iron pipe. You'll definitely need these pipe clamps. I picked these up from Home Depot. Make sure you get the 1/2 inch to match your pipe. You can also do 3/4 inch if you want, but you'll just want to make sure then to get the 3/4 inch of those. And then I've got all these different kinds of black iron fittings, all 1/2 inch. Inevitably, what we're going to start out with is making a few of these to be able to go up into the ceiling. With these black pipes, my area of space on the ceiling is 14 inches, so I got two 6-inch pieces, but they have these in all kinds of different sizes, so when you measure yours out, you can choose whichever one you want. All right, now we got these three made up, and you can get kind of really creative with these. They got fittings all different sizes, all different angles and everything too. So you'll see how my ceiling is to be able to put these in, but yours may be a little bit different. So obviously change this up for what works for you. This type of build can also be mounted to the wall. So you can get 90s, have it turned, and have this mounted to a wall too if you don't have an open ceiling like I have here. All right, now I'm going to set you up to look at my ceiling so you can watch how we're putting these up. So for yours, if you don't have an open ceiling like I have here, then you can just use 90s here to even hook it up straight through here, or you can even wall mount it with the same 90s, and then this will work, same kind of concept. Screwing these up, I'm going to use 1 1/4 inch. Really any kind of screw you have is fine. I just happen to have the exterior Craig screws here, but these aren't pressure treated in your house, so the exterior, so you don't need them to be exterior coated. I'm just using them because I have them. Now that you got those three installed up top, we'll go ahead and take our 1/2 inch clamps and the long bars, which these are 60-inch, so 5-foot long bars. But again, whatever your area is. And the nice thing about this type of build is we're going to screw them in to the fitting up there, so you can use different sizes. You can have a 2-foot one, you can have a 6-foot one. Depending on your needs, you can just unscrew and screw up a new one. All right, you got this one. Make sure your rubber's facing towards what will be the other one. And this one, only one of them screws in on the end. So go ahead and screw that in. Now this end, that screws actually on, so it'll always be there. Obviously is the end you can't put up there. So this will be the bottom, and this one will have the top.
The threads on the top fitting act as a hinge to allow the bar to move up and down. With some random pieces of scrap wood I had lying around the shop, this is how the hanging clamps will work for the glue ups. Not only does it save space, but it also gives you easy access to make sure all your boards are lined up.
What I'm going to use as the hanger is this little piece of wood, about 8 inches, some 1.5 inch Craig screws that'll end up going up in the ceiling, and then this will be able to hinge back and forth so we can release it and lock it. Now run this in and then back it out just a hair, not too much, and that'll allow it to be able to spin freely.
Thank you guys for watching the video. If you found this to be a cool idea, then like and subscribe. I appreciate all the support you guys have shown me.